What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. And I just wanted to give you guys a little fast update on my sales for Q4 in this last couple months. Um, this month is going really great. My best month so far on merch by far. 195 items and just about to crack $800. Um, a lot of people have been saying their sales have been sucking, and I've been getting a lot of sales. But the thing about my sales for this month are nothing but Christmas shirts. Um, I have a few different shirts that are a couple other niches, but it's predominantly um, Christmas shirts. I have a good niche within the Christmas niche that I found, and I've been getting rewarded for it. So, just show you guys the last couple of months and how I've been doing. So, yeah, October, I had 140 items and I hit 500. I think you guys been around for September. That sucked. Yeah, and this month, almost about to crack 800. I haven't did any ads or any of that, so um, I'm pretty proud of this month. Just thinking about how better and better it's gonna get every year. The more I get reviews, so it's been pretty good. I'll actually show you guys a little of the breakdown of what is selling for me. Um, One thing I'm gonna try to focus on more is trying to sell in other marketplaces. Let's look at this month specifically. Okay. So it's kind of been a roller coaster. I have been selling a lot more items daily. My best day, I sold 20 items for $100. Let me make sure. I'm definitely starting to charge a lot more for everything. Every design that I make from scratch, like start to finish, $19.99 off the rip. I'm not selling anything for cheap anymore. I don't care. Press up my prices. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just kind of been my um, model this month, and it's actually been, helping me. So, let me see. Trying to make sure that this shit's hitting really quick. Okay, it is. And when it comes to the top products that I've been selling this month, obviously it's always the standards. Long sleeve tees has actually been surprising me. I've been selling a lot more of them. I never really do, so that's cool. Um, 12 hoodies, 11 sweatshirts, 20 long sleeves. I actually sold my first throw pillow, and it actually sold two more like back to back, so that was cool. Just a few V-necks. I never really sell those, so it's always an accomplishment to me when I sell those because they never sell for me. Um, let's see. As far as the colors go, black and navy is usually what sells the most for me. And as far as, what has sold the most for me, pretty sure these are both Christmas shirts. Christmas. Um, I know this one isn't. But it's been a little bit of everything. Um, but like I said, most of the stuff is Christmas niche. I found a good niche. I made a shit ton of designs from scratch, and I have a lot on the first page of this niche, and it's just going well for me, which I'm happy about because in all of my Facebook groups, everybody has just been, pissed off about this month. So I'm definitely grateful that I'm getting, something going. And hopefully, hey, next month I double this month. That's the goal. Um, let's see if there's anything else I can show you guys. But yeah, a little bit of everything's been selling. But as you can see, I'm putting everything up for 19.99. Basically, I don't want to sell anything that the royalties under $5. So if it's new and you see it, it's all you know $5 up royalty, which means mostly $20 and up for the t-shirts. But that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Um, and just let me know in the comments section what's going on in your merch journey and how you're doing this November. And let me know, anything you guys want me to make videos on. Keep me motivated. Keep me creating this content for you guys. And yeah, until next time, hit that sub button. I love y'all. And I'll make sure I keep posting this good content for you guys. Until next time.